everybody, Suzy Torres here, coming to you live from Summerville, South Carolina. If you're not familiar with our cute little city, it is about 30 minutes from downtown Charleston and the beaches, and it has so much to offer. Here, let's check it out. Right now we are walking through Hutchinson Square, which is the center of our historic downtown Summerville area. This is the little park system that they have with lots of really neat restaurants. We do have the original Gearing's Pharmacy, the oldest pharmacy in the state, and they still have ice cream and malts that you can get while you wait for your prescriptions. We got the bookstore, the theater, Eva's restaurant, the oldest breakfast place around, Pizza and Tap House, wine and tapas, beautiful little fountain area. Right there is the amphitheater area where bands will play. We do third Thursday, the third Thursday of the month. It's a different theme each time, and always lots of fun. Let's see, last month we had Christmas in July, fun activities for all ages. Well, I hope you enjoyed discovering just a little bit of what this fantastic town has to offer with me. If there's anything I can do for you in the area, or if you need to buy or sell a home, I'm happy to help. SuzyTorres.com, lifeinsummerville.com. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.